Just to introduce today's announcement, we are facing significant structural change in the global steel industry, and macroeconomic factors as an Australian manufacturer are such that we can't continue to be a steel exporter from Australia. A week ago, we announced a $900 million impairment on our Australian assets, leading in today's announcement, which I will go through in a fair bit of detail in just a few moments. Just to reflect on our other businesses, though, we have a very good business in Asia. I would say we're a top 3 Australian business performer in Asia, and the Asian business goes from strength to strength. We have a steel mini mill in North America that performs very well, as does our business in New Zealand, where we also export iron sands. Our buildings business in North America is challenged because of the economic climate in the US, but we've also, as a business, done a good job of keeping costs out across our business since the global financial crisis. But just to reiterate, there is significant structural changes occurring in the global steel industry and in the Australian economy, which has forced us to a decision, the right decision, to exit the Australian steel export business. But I would absolutely reiterate that we are committed to producing steel in Australia for the Australian steel market from our sites at Port Kembla and Western Port. Just to quickly focus on the results, we produced revenue of nearly $9 billion on dispatches of close to 8 million tonnes of steel. But our loss, a net loss after tax, was $1.054 billion, driven principally by the $900 million impairment and an operating loss of just over $100 million. Quite obviously, in this situation, the board has decided not to pay a dividend. The engagement process has started with our employees and will continue now for some time. We will absolutely honour all of our commitment to those employees who will have to leave our business, which is around 1,000 employees, 800 at Port Kembla and 200 at Western Port. There will also be flow-on effects to our suppliers, difficult to quantify, but material. As we've gone through this restructure, we've also obtained the support of our lenders. It's quite a significant incursion of costs that we'll have to undertake. Our lenders see this as being a fantastic opportunity to turn the business around, and we see this as a springboard to get back to financial health.